In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange and navigate slides in PowerPoint 2016, helping you manage your presentations like a pro. Let's dive right in and make your slide organization seamless and efficient. First, we'll start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This should be pretty straightforward. Whether you have a shortcut on your desktop or access it through your applications menu, the goal is to get the program up and running. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll want to go directly to the presentation you need to work on. This might mean opening a recent file or locating your document through the Open function under the File menu. Ensure that you have the right file opened. From here, your journey in slide management truly begins. Next, keep your focus on the left panel within PowerPoint. This area is crucial as it displays all of your slides in order, acting as your primary navigation tool throughout the presentation. This panel is sometimes referred to as the slide sorter view when you wish to see miniature versions of all slides, but normally you will see the slide thumbnails stacked vertically. By having this layout, you can easily see the sequence of your slides and how they flow from one to another. Now, when it comes to rearranging your slides, this is where simplicity meets functionality. You just click on the slide you wish to move. Remember, if you need to select multiple slides to move them simultaneously, simply hold down the Control key on your Windows PC or the Command key on a Mac, and click on each slide that you want to move. Once your desired slides are highlighted, click, hold, and drag them to their new location in the sequence. You'll notice a small line appears between slides as you drag. This is PowerPoint indicating where your selected slides will be dropped once you release the mouse button. By doing this, you can adjust the flow of your presentation until it fits the exact storytelling arc or logical sequence you're aiming for. A few extra tips for success. Keep in mind when arranging your slides that a logical sequence can significantly impact your audience's understanding and engagement. Pay attention to the storytelling aspect of your presentation and ensure transitions between slides are smooth. Also, frequently saving your progress is crucial to avoid any loss of data. Use Ctrl+S or Command+S often to save quickly without disrupting your workflow. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to easily arrange and navigate slides in PowerPoint 2016. By mastering this skill, you're ensuring your presentations are both professionally organized and impactful. Enjoy crafting presentations that not only inform but also captivate your audience.